Abay, buhay naman, no? At ma-interview natin, kaugnay po naman dyan sa launching, pasinaya ng RMN 43rd Radio Station. At hindi lamang yan, ito yung pang-24 na FM station ng RMN Networks at pang-siyam na radio station ng RMN Networks dyan sa Luzon at pang-7 FM station sa bahagi ng Luzon. Abay, talaga naman, parang kabuti pala Boss Rod, parang kabuti pala ang mga istasyon ng RMN Networks. Erasto Apurol, ang station manager ng FM Lucena. Sir Eras, magandang hapon sa iyo. Kumusta kayo dyan?
Hi Sir Elmore, magandang araw din sa inyo at sa lahat ng mga taga-DZXL. Ito sir, kakatapos lang ng celebration namin and blessing dito po sa Lucena City.
Abay, congratulations Boss Eras. So sino mga naging guest mo dyan? Sino mga boss natin na nagatin dyan?
So, Barry, we are very honored, sir, kasi nandito po si Sir Eric, our chairman and president, our EVP and COO, Sir Rico Canoy, Sir Aiki, Ma'am Erica is also here, and also si Ma'am Inday, si Ma'am Clara is also here para po maging parte ng aming ng celebration and blessing po ng station and ribbon cutting as well.
Abay, talagang full force pala yung mga big wigs. Oo. Baka wag ka naman masyadong ma-pressure Lahat ng mga bossing ng nandiyan pala sa iyo dumayo diyan sa lugar mo. So, itong pagkakaroon ng station ng RMN diyan sa bahagi ng ating Quezon Province, isa sa pinakamalaking lugar sa Pilipinas. So, how would this augurs well doon sa mga residente doon, yung pagdating ng IFM dyan sa Quezon?
Dito naman kasi sir, before pa naman tayo talaga mag-open since I'm also from the broadcast industry din. So may konti na naman na din tayong ilang mga listeners na talagang alam nilang nandito na ako, ganyan. So yung mga staff ko din are also from the broadcast industry. So they also have their own following. So medyo mas madali naman magpakilala. Of course, bukod dyan, kailangan din talaga naming lumabas to market ourselves, to promote the radio station kasi since we're not just offering the music or entertainment lang for everybody. We're also would like to inform them that we have public service, we have news, we also have our social media, we also have our foundation to maybe in the future magkaroon kami ng project with our foundation para dito sa ating mga kasama dito sa Lucena City.
Gaano kalakas, anong power ng natin dyan, IFM station sa Lucena?
Malakas siya, parang abot kami ng Europe. Kidding aside. So currently we are testing under 5 kilowatt na output, sir.
Pag ganyan 5K, anong mga probinsya pa, mga lugar dyan sa probinsya ng Quezon, ang abutin ng signal natin dyan?
Medyo malawak to, sir.
Almost Camarines Norte, abot kayo?
Parang hindi naman sir. I wish na sana kami dyan. Pero currently, malakas naman ng Tabon. Maganda kasi wala siyang clear talaga yung signal natin dito sa Lucena City. So I would like to say thank you muna sa mga taga-engineering natin, especially kay Sir John Abogado and also kay Sir Tom for the technical aspect ng radio station natin in Lucena City. Very good ang signal. So we have our reach. We can reach as far as I think the boundaries of Quezon and Batangas, and we also have boundaries hanggang Laguna areas. But most of the municipalities here in Quezon Province covered tayo, sir. So especially yung mga papunta pa ng southern part pa ng Quezon Province. So medyo confident naman ako dun sa signal natin. Talagang maganda siya.
At least swerte din yung mga residente sa Lucena yung may dadala dyan yung brand of service, brand of programming na naging kilala na sa buong Pilipinas ang RMN Networks ay nandiyan na finally sa Quezon Province at makikinabang sila dyan yung serbisyo publiko natin na kilala sa iba't ibang mga lugar, hindi lamang dito sa iba't ibang lugar sa Metro Manila kundi maging sa iba't ibang dako ng ating bansa. How's that kasamang Eras?
Yun sir, kasi yun din talagang gusto kong mangyari sa IFM Lucena. It's not just about music kasi this is I think the time now that we incorporate everything in a particular like for example an FM radio station. Isama natin dito yung iba pang services na pwede nating isali. Like if we're gonna go hybrid, let's include news, let's include public service, and then let's also go out and let's introduce the radio station to the people and how the station can help them, especially nowadays. Social media is also a big part of how we disseminate information. We also would like to be part of that positively, yung effect namin sa community natin. Of course, with the help of our leaders. Kasi ang ganda sa RMN lang, our leaders are very supportive with all of the things that we need to help the community. So that's one thing I'm really proud of our company. And of course, sir, I'm also training our current staff here. Now we're all gonna go out and then we're gonna promote ourselves and then we're gonna help people whatever we can as an FM station, of course, not just public service, but in a way our foundation. And we are already planning na our first project na for the schools here. Ipapolish lang namin with the help, of course, of Sir Ike and the foundation.
Kaya pala, super excited na si Idol Edgardo Maceda. Ha?
Yes, sir.
Parang pumapailan lang sa ere yung kanyang programa tuwing umaga.
Talagang doon ko sa nilagay. Sir, kasi talagang he's our news guy. And we're adding more to our team para mas maging mas broad pa yung scope na mas expand pa namin yung public service namin and news and information dissemination here in the Quezon Province.
Mm-hmm. Sige, dito sa Metro Manila, maraming mga taga Quezon Province, mga taga Lucena. Siguro, pwede ka siguro mag-invite, At ganoon rin sa pagsunod din sa ating social media account ng IFM Lucena. Sir Eras, go ahead.
And by the way, again, to all our kababayans and our idols here in Quezon Province, we just opened our doors to everybody ang 106.3 IFM Lucena. So, I would like you guys to first, of course, like our page because that's also one of our vehicles para mag-distribute and mag-disseminate ng information to all our kababayans and the people who are listening to us and the people who are following us. So it's 106.3 IFM Lucena, and also don't forget to listen to us. So sa inyong mga radio, sa bahay ninyo, sa inyong mga transistors and receivers, 106.3 IFM Lucena. So we're not just an FM radio station, we are a public service and information and news station as well. So everything is in here. So pwede kayong makinig ng tugtugan habang nakikinig ng balita sa umaga, pampagana ninyo, yung mga ganon. We also have the words from the Bible then. So medyo talagang iniipon na namin yan. And also would like to hear from you, our listeners, kung ano pa yung mga gusto ninyong mapakinggan mula sa amin, gusto niyo magkaroon pa kami para mas ma-improve pa namin yung aming local programming here in Quezon Province.
Alright, we want to hear more from you there, lalo na yung kasamang idol natin si Edgardo. So in behalf sa ating boss dito, si Boss Rod Marcelino at 10 ng aming makasamahan sa DZXL News, RMN Manila. Congratulations, IFM Lucena!
Welcome kayo, sir, dito anytime, Sir Rod and the rest of DZXL.
Okay, papasyal kami dyan, ha? Maraming salamat, SM.
Thank you, sir.
Alright. Yan mga kasama, si Erasto Aporol, Station Manager ng IFM Lucena. Welcome, to the family. Welcome po sa RMN Networks. Isa namang binuksan na bagong himpilan po ng RMN Networks dyan sa Quezon Province. Naghatid po sa atin yan sa oras, 3:39 na po ng hapon. Ang bilis ng oras, kasama ang Neil. Samantala muna, kuha muna tayo ng ilang mga reports sa labas ng himpilan. Pero bago yan, dagdag ko lamang na impormasyon dahil sa ligtas na pong na-rescue yung 2 pala sa 6 na mga foreign nationals na nag-hiking papuntang Twin Lakes sa bayan po yan ng Valencia, Negros Oriental.